So, chocolate mousse. So I'm gonna start by making chocolate curls to put on top of the finished mousse. So I'm making some kind of marbled chocolate curls. So I have some white chocolate that I melted with some coconut oil and some darker chocolate, semi-sweet, that I also melted with coconut oil, and that just kind of helps keep it nice and smooth. And then when you go to make the curls, it actually curls instead of breaks. At least I hope that's what happens. So I drizzled on both colors of chocolate, and I'm just gonna use a spatula to spread it into a thin layer. Okay, so Alex, if you'll look and see, you can kind of see a hint of the marbling underneath. But what I need to do now is stick this in the freezer, so come back around.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put the chocolate for the curls into the freezer. Okay, so while that chills just for a couple of minutes, I'm going to whip some cream, heavy cream, in a bowl, and I'll start kind of slow. And while I whip it, I'm just gonna sweeten it by adding some regular sugar. You can use powdered sugar. You can use agave syrup if you're into that kind of thing. All right, I'm gonna whip this cream until stiff peaks start to form. All right, let's take a look. I think that whipped cream looks great. So let's take a look. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
So you want to get sort of a sharp instrument, whether it's a bench scraper or a spatula. Basically, you want to scrape, and then the curls should happen sort of naturally. And of course, we're not talking about smooth, beautiful curls, but look at that. You can see sort of the little marble quality. And try another one. And you can do long, so look at this, Alex. Here's where it's gonna really start to kind of cooperate. See? And they're just little cute curls. And the great thing about these is if you're having like a dinner party, you can make them ahead of time. So I'm gonna keep going until I get all of this chocolate curled. All right, finished them up. That's the last batch. See, you know what Socrates always said?
No.
No two chocolate curls are exactly alike.
Wow. I don't think you ever said that.
Profound.
I'm gonna pop this plate in the freezer so these don't soften. I'll be right back. Now I'm actually gonna make the chocolate mousse. So I've got some egg yolks and I'm gonna add some vanilla. And then I'm gonna beat the yolks. Okay, this is all mixed together. So now I've got a mixture of semi-sweet chocolate and butter that I've had on a double boiler. And that double boiler has done its work. So I'm gonna temper the egg yolks by just adding a little bit of the hot chocolate butter mixture and whisking it. And this, of course, just brings the egg yolks to temperature. And so then when I add it into the rest of the chocolate, it doesn't turn into scrambled egg chocolate, which never ever sounds good. So here we go. And I always do it slowly and just stir the whole time. Okay, so look at this, Alex. Got that all stirred together. Looks great. Ooh, that bowl is hot. So now I'm gonna take about 3/4 of this whipped cream and fold it in. Now you can't rush the folding process at all. You need to take your sweet time and just do it gradually. So give me probably about 2 minutes and this will all be ready to go. Okay, so I'm gonna stop there and then I'm gonna doctor up the whipped cream just a little bit that I'm gonna put on top of the chocolate mousse. And I don't wanna totally mix this. I want it to be marbled. You're tempted to keep mixing, but you wanna stop when it just starts to marble. Okay, so now it's time to serve. I'm just gonna build one. You fill up the cup, and then you get the whipped cream with all the marbled, beautiful raspberry jam. I never said what I put in the whipped cream, did I?
No, you didn't.
Okay, and look at that. Oh, now I'm gonna get the other 3 built just like this one. All right, they're all assembled. The only thing missing are the chocolate curls. Okay, so the chocolate curls go on. You can save the curls. I like to get them really like jagged and shardy. Look at this, Alex. What do you think?
These are gorgeous.